episode of Walk the Talk is a social media influencer who has made a mark in beauty and skincare in Qatar. Her journey started 3 years ago, and since then, she has never looked back. Actively involved with Create Qatar, and she has a tremendous following amongst people. Let's welcome Ms. Shad. Shad, I'd like to welcome you to Walk the Talk Season 1 presented by 89.61 FM.
I'm happy to be with you today.
I'm very happy as well. Shad, it's been a long journey for 3 years into digital media, influencing and skincare, beauty. I want to ask you, how did it all start?
Actually, it started from my hobby. When I was more little younger than this, I started to record some videos. I keep them to myself. I keep them in my mobile. Nobody sees it. I was doing reviews about my own products, and I was doing like skincare tips, beauty tips. It started to be bigger. I started, I practice a lot this, so I started to think about posting my new video on my Instagram.
Okay.
I was having in my account like 3K followers. In my beginning, I started to post my first video, and then I posted my first video, and then I saw good results. I saw positive comments. People loved the way I am introducing the products or like this. They loved it, and also they were asking for more videos like this and more skincare tips and more beauty tips as well.
Shad, how do you think an influencer, or what role does an influencer play in changing the society?
Actually, I believe that bloggers play a role in changing the society, because an example, me, I have to watch out my informations before I give it to my followers. I have to make sure that this information is right, or maybe a skincare tips. I try it myself first, and then if it's effective, I tell people about it. If it's not, I don't talk about it. And also I tell about skincare types. Maybe other people not my skin type, so maybe this product is suitable for me and not suitable for others.
Right.
So I'm trying to be to choose good my informations and tell it to people in a good way, and because I don't want my followers to practice some wrong informations.
So, I can see that you primarily focus on beauty. Why beauty?
Because in my opinion, the most powerful power for women is beauty. Actually, for me, I feel myself doing skincare. I feel myself, I enjoy taking care of myself, because also from this starts the self-confidence.
Right.
Self-confidence is very important in people's life, especially for women. So when they start to care by themselves, and also I'm trying to watch skincare videos from other bloggers. I try to collect my informations to tell it in a right way to people, to practice in good way. And also this is a good thing to do, to collect your informations from different sites, or and tell it to people in a simple way.
Right.
Yes, and I'm trying to do my best.
Shad, is it competitive being an influencer in the market, and are you open for collaborations?
Yes, of course, I'm open for collaborations, and it's my pleasure to do collaboration in other people in my domain. I don't mind that, and I'm seeing that it's a good way, so people can see 2 reviews, not only one. So people can hear from 2 people, and of course different opinions, so they can enjoy this. Yeah.
Perfect. That's really nice.
Yes, of
Shad,
course.
so we come to an end for the first segment. I'm going to the next segment, which is the rapid fire round.
Yes.
All right.
Amazing. I'm so
are
excited
you set?
for that.
Ready?
Yes, for sure.
One word that describes you best.
Kind.
Spirit animal?
Cats.
Cats?
Yes.
Okay. Your comfort food?
Shawarma, but I'm trying to be healthy.
Okay. Your favorite vacation destination?
Of course, this time my country, Egypt.
Nice. Your greatest fear?
I don't have fears.
Your guilty pleasure?
People's love.
Favorite artist?
Actually, they are singers, Arabic singers, Angham and Amr Diab.
Okay. TikTok or Snapchat?
Snapchat.
Facebook or Instagram?
Of course, Instagram, but I enjoy Facebook
also. One person who influenced you?
My mother.
Your mother.
Yeah.
That's nice. So we come to an end of this rapid fire round, and I have a small gift for you, which is sponsored by Lone Star, leading FMCG company,
you.
and Simit Sarai.
Thank you so much.
What is the message that you have for our listeners, and what would you like to say to people who would like to follow a similar path like yours?
Yes, actually, my message to our listeners is if they have dreams, they should do the things related to their dreams, because blogging was my dream at first, and now I didn't reach it totally, but at least I tried, and I'm happy with what's the result now. So they have to work for their dreams, and also one day they will reach their dreams, inshallah. And also I have advice for people who will want to join our path, blogging, is they should follow up good content. They should do a content that people enjoy it, that people maybe they are interesting about it, they need to know about it.
Right.
Yes, so this is my message to our listeners and the people who wants to join our path.
So that was Shad for you, and for all you Dharkans, watch out for a brand new episode of Walk the Talk. Keep listening to 89.61 FM, Qatar Ki Dhadkan.
I would like to thank 89.61 FM channel for this amazing interview. I enjoyed a lot, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Lashu, for more beauty tips, and please follow the right beauty tips. Please make sure who you are following, and then follow me on Snapchat, Shushu_Queen1, and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, link in my bio, my Instagram bio. Thank you so much for watching.